Here's my step-by-step guide on how I fill my sketchbook. Firstly, I look for references from Arena is what I've been using lately. My coworker put me onto it, but I sometimes use Pinterest, sometimes use quick poses, things like that, or your classic art tools. Then I take a moment to pet the cat. Of course, he needs the attention, otherwise he'll keep disturbing me. So once I've chosen a reference, I've gone with a picture of Lawrence Fishburne from the Matrix poster. I begin drawing out where I'm going to draw, and getting attacked by the cat because I wasn't giving him enough attention. I then have to give him a quick telling off because he's an absolute nightmare for having a go at me. You'll have to ignore my unbrushed hair, I just got out of the shower. Then we get back to drawing, and I've got this really nice... He's trying to bite me again. Oh, he bit me. And before I could even have a go at him again, he fully went ham on my arm and broke the skin, and I bled. And I was really, really, really angry with him. So the next step in sketchbook drawing is to actually get rid of the cat, bin him, scrap him, use him for parts, and just chuck him off the desk. Because he thinks the desk is his for some reason. After a few rounds of this, you will give up your textbook to the cat, and he will love you for it. It's now his, he owns the house, as he always has done, and as he always will. And that's how you draw. Thanks.